Got one. Holy crap, that's big. Oh! Kind of forgot my rod holders, so I'm gonna try to use sticks, which kind of sucks, but gonna have to do. Oh, had one. They're going crazy down here. Oh, got one. Holy crap, that's tiny. I'm gonna use it. This guy's pretty tiny, but I think I'm gonna use him. Look at him. This guy's really small, but he's got ought to do. Got a 6/0 circle hook. Just like that. Just a little guy, but I think he'll do the trick if a hungry flathead is somewhere. I might give him a sec. Oh yeah, something has it. Something has it. Got him. Yep. Seems like flatty. I'm gonna have to, yeah. Holy crap, that's big. I'm gonna get him in. Holy crap. I'm gonna have to grab his mouth.
I can grab it.
Hey, holy crap, that's big.
Oh, yo. Go.
Dude, those are big bites.
Yeah. The rod holder? Go.
I know.
Dude, I'm scared. We can't net this thing.
I know.
We're getting this. I'm
gonna have to grab it by the mouth.
We'll really try.
You want to try getting the mouth? I'll grab it.
That's a flatty for sure. Oh, dude, he's going in. Crap, he's gonna get hung up. I got him out. He's big, bro. He's definitely bigger than my last one.
Yeah. Oh, I got boiled.
Dude, he's pulling.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
You got him. Come, bring
Gotta pull.
Can you just
Jake, just try to like.
get him? You got him? You got him? Bring him up, bring him up, bring him up. Let's go. Dude.
He's fine.
Let's go. Let's go, dude.
Oh, yeah, he's massive.
Oh, he's
dang.
bleeding.
Yeah, good job, Jake.
Holy cow.
Nice calling.
Oh my gosh. That circle hook. I'm shaking.
Yeah.
Can someone get me my pliers?
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah, sick.
Holy crap, look at the head on that thing. Bro,
Good job.
look at the head on. I want to.
Yeah, I was fine grabbing him
Look
by
at
his
that.
mouth.
Yeah, he did. They don't seem to bite like the channels do. What is that?
That's a tag.
Tagged.
Did the tag fall off though?
No, it's just how they, you know, they've been caught before.
I can get the hook.
What do you mean, like people do that?
Oh, yeah, you can get the hook. I'll keep its mouth open. Come on.
I don't.
Yeah. Oh, it's huge.
I beat my PB. There we go. Holy crap.
Let's stick your hand in there.
Holy cow. That's a beast. That will go 10 plus, I think.
I think it might go 15. No, it's going 15.
It's a beast.
It's going 15.
Dude,
I don't
good
know
job
about
seeing those
15.
bites.
Yeah. Dude, what do you mean? Dude, he just went for it. He did not bite
From
my
the
last
cat
one
from
here.
last time, right?
Let me see that.
No, you got action.
Picked up the live bluegill. Oh, he's gonna go heavy.
Oh,
jeez, bro.
Oh,
Nah, you don't.
They're like giants, dude.
Oh, I'm so can. Come on.
He's heavy.
Almost 13. Line 0 out. 12.9.
Hold on, can I put my hand in there?
12.9.
Oh god. Holy cow. Just look at that guy right there. Get a release on him. Nope, yeah, he's ready to go. There he goes. Bit onto my finger. 13-pound channel or flathead. Whew. Well, just caught that flathead catfish. PB, about 13 pounds. 12.9. He was a nice one. I'm trying to catch more bait right now. That guy, I don't know if I said that. Probably no. I probably had my camera filming when I caught some other bait, but he picked up a nice live bluegill. Yeah, I'm trying to catch another one and hopefully get another big flathead. I'm still shaking. There's not many places I can catch flatheads around here. My flathead wasn't really that big for a flathead. They get over 100 pounds. It's like the world record though. It's like I think just over 100. But yeah, I'm happy and I'm gonna try to get some more. That one.
I'm taking my bluegill.
Already?
No, I meant like on my saltwater rod I cast by a structure down there.
You think that's a good size? You think that's too small?
I'll probably use them if you don't.
I'll rig him up.
Alright.
I've been rigging these guys kind of closer to the head. Fish seem to eat by the head.
What's up?
Talking to the camera. Talking to the viewers. No, you're fine. Just like that. So they can get it. And a lot of times they'll go that way so they don't get spiked. So that's why I hook it closer to the head. Cast this guy out. Hopefully get another.
Oh, he's a big one.
Nope. Oh, jeez.
Oh!
Dude,
That was big. Light. I turned the light off because it dies quicker. There's our little bud right there. Looks like something weird.
Yep, flat.
Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on.
I'll get him.
Got one. Holy crap, that's big. Holy cow. That feels bigger than the last one. Oh. Jake, it's gonna cross your line. Get your line in quick.
Now, don't worry.
Okay, hold on. Bring it over my line.
Yeah, this one.
Here, I'm gonna bring it this way. Okay. Can you grab it?
Yeah. Right here. How big is it? Oh!
Holy crap. Need to loosen my drag.
So I can get him over there. Jake, here, you get over there, I'll get over here.
Here. 60.
Dude, I can't even see it. It's not even coming up yet.
Alright. Okay. It's big. Holy crap.
Oh, no, we're good.
I had 65-pound test, so I think we're okay.
Right, good.
Stay the course.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. My GoPro's like not at a good angle. Okay. Oh gosh. Holy cow, that's a big one. Holy cow.
It looks like kind of like the same one.
I know. I just trying to get it around. He's not opening up. I can't reach my hand.
Yeah.
Bring him on the truck. Bring him on the truck.
We really need the net.
Yes. In a bad way.
Oh. It's not the same one. It can't be. No way. They're smarter than that. Alright. Ethan, I'm gonna bring it to you.
Yep.
I think this is bigger than my last one. Oh my gosh. This guy can't come off, can he?
No.
Holy crap, I'm getting tired, bro. Yeah, I know. Alright.
You might go 15.
He could, yeah, for sure.
I don't think it's the same fish either. I think it is. They're all like that.
Okay.
Obviously, they're all comfortable.
Okay.
Okay. By the mouth.
He's not turning. He's not giving it to me.
Hey, he's so tired. He's so done. He can't go much longer. Right. He's got his mouth open, I think.
Yep, I know.
Okay. Just keeping my drag loose. With 65-pound test, so we shouldn't really... If my only worry is the knot comes or he comes unhooked.
That's the unhook is the only thing okay.
Okay, yeah.
I trust you.
That rod bend.
I trust you're not tying.
Alright.
Okay,
Alright.
Come on, buddy. There you go. Jake.
Got him. Pull him up.
Yeah.
Oh! He's big.
Jake, bring one out of the water.
Go barely hooked.
Closer.
Oh, yeah, he's bigger.
Way bigger. 15.
Let's go.
Colin.
Oh, 2 flatties.
He's gonna go 20. He's gonna go 20.
I don't know about 20.
He's bigger.
15 at least.
Let me see.
He's at
Let me
least
zero
10.
this thing out.
Just scared me at work.
Yeah. Right. Oh, yeah, he's bigger.
Yo, here, 20.
He's not going 20.
What, Jake? He's not gonna jump 5
I know.
16.76.
Oh.
Good job,
I
Colin.
want to take a picture of that.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep.
16.7.
There he is. We're going to get a release on him. My GoPro just filled with storage, which is kind of weird. I have to delete some clips. Look at that mouth. 16.76. There's our buddy. My gosh. Good. Bit onto my finger for a second there. Alright, see you later, buddy. Just caught that almost 17-pound flathead. Oh, sorry. But, dude, I don't know how good that footage is going to be because I was like...
The angle's weird.
Yeah, it's probably not going to be the greatest, but I'm going to post it, so whatever. I don't really care. I'm just happy I caught it.
Yeah.
How I'm rigging them right there. Gonna throw them back out now.
Diffuser or diffuser thing.
Sure.
Off
Real.
my thing. Off.
Yeah.
Is something on?
Yeah.
Yes, something's on.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Alright, real.
Wait, it's not too big though.
But keep a lot of pressure. Alright,
You recording?
yeah.
Oh. Try to
Colin,
let
you
line
want
out. I mean, I
No,
40
just
pound
keep
braid.
real. Just keep reeling. Just keep reeling.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice.
Okay, keep reeling. Keep
Is your
reeling.
first cat on this rod?
Yeah. No, second. I caught channel.
Alright, get him in. I'm gonna net it. I'm gonna get him in.
Oh. Jake?
I mean,
That means no.
bigger than like.
Let's go,
Bigger
Jake.
than
I
five.
told you. I told you you're gonna get one.
Oh, dude, let's get it.
If
Okay.
I had a line and two, maybe I'd get one.
Tiring out.
Is he big? Think he's bigger than one of
I
mine?
mean, I'm just.
Think he's bigger than my first one? True though. Even if they do that sometimes though. I don't even know where he is though. I hope he's not crossing.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh.
That's a fish.
Okay. Okay, that's a flathead. Okay, hold on. Okay. Just keep it up. Keep your tip up. Okay, I'm gonna get him.
Okay.
Probably 4 pounds.
Okay.
Oh, he's a little bit like 4.
Oh, had his
No,
mouth.
he's like-
What? This is like 8. Oh, Jake.
Okay.
Got him. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's...
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, no, he's above 8.
Oh, no, he's fine.
Hey, he's good.
He's good.
Nice, Jake.
Yeah,
Let's go.
He's at least 8.
Oh.
All right, let's weigh him. Jake's first flathead.
He's not near the 22 pounder.
I think he...
He's going to go double digit?
No.
I think he'll go 9, maybe.
Yeah.
Need pliers?
No, I got it.
Dude, he started thrashing around when I grabbed him.
These are all tied, bro. Tagged.
Yeah, I'm going to say...
Jesus Christ, I just got worms on my shoe.
Alright.
Got it. Dude, on the big catfish reel.
$200.
Yeah, I know. I'm not breaking off.
He's gonna go 10 plus.
Can I see it? Dude, is he gonna go double digit? Our first double digit catfish.
He's...
Oh.
Oh, let's go.
Good job, Jake.
Alright, everyone's catching their PBs tonight, except for Ethan.
Yeah, he's 10 plus, 100%. 11 plus.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he did.
You see?
Yes. He's not even fluctuating under double digits.
Jesus.
Oh my
Holy
god.
crap. Hold on.
Where's my phone?
Dude, my rod like bent over.
Come on.
Oh my
I
gosh.
know, he got you.
He's not gonna hit 12, I don't think. He's gonna go 11.
11 and a half, okay.
11
I'll take
and a
it.
half, Jake. Let's go. I did not think he was gonna go.
Me neither.
He's
So
got
he was 4
got a
pounds
stomach.
up
on
You're
him.
like 4 pounds. I'm like, I think he's
Yeah, I don't know why you said that.
Yeah.
I knew he was.
See it.
I knew he was at least 8. Where's my
He
phone?
looked really small in the water, like where? Can I feel him? Oh yeah, dude.
All right, Jake.
It feels so cool. They're pudgy. Oh. Nice fish.
All right, we need to get some good pictures of this guy. Come on. How do I get this?
Dude, he took a
Here,
hard
turn your
hit.
lamp off.
Yeah, I
actually.
know.
Rod.
And that's a big rod. It's like that thing.
How do I? Here we go. All right, you turn. All right.
Looks
Is
like a
that all
slug
you want?
there.
You want like completely so his head's like to the side.
I feel
Dude, I told you, Jake. I told you. I told you you were getting one. You're gonna want to just leave your hand in his mouth. Once he kind of like you feel his mouth moving, he's good to let go. Oh, yep. There he goes.
Is he good?
Yep. He's gonna swim off.
Good video, right?
Let's go, Jake.
Isn't sweet?
Hello, everyone. Yeah, I think that's gonna about do it for the video.
Sir.
Caught 3 kitties. Jake caught his first flathead.
Yeah.
Let's go. And yeah, that's gonna pretty much do it. So yeah, see you next time.